Hello guys, this is Tech Tato, the Unlock King. I'm going to go ahead and introduce a new service. This particular service is a remote phone repair service. The example we're doing today is the Samsung Core Prime. This particular service is a little bit more into devices that are brick, soft brick, or having any type of particular issues with their operating system. Now, if you're not familiar with the actual repairing your device, I do recommend ordering this service. We do need three things if you're interested in ordering it. It's a PC, an active internet connection, and TeamViewer installed. Simply, what we do is we connect to your device via your PC and repair it remotely. So just keep that in mind. If you're interested in ordering this service, head over to my website, request the actual service, pay for the service, and await the actual repair instructions. Although the actual repair is a bit broad, we do cover a wide range of devices within certain means. So if you are interested in this particular service, head over to my site and order this particular repair service. This particular model is the Samsung Core Prime. The actual phone had a damaged operating system. So what we did is we went ahead and proceeded to repair it. This is more of a proof to show you that my services work. Now, just keep in mind that within certain means, because there's a lot of actual devices in the world, and we want to help each and every one of you. Now, once again, this is a remote service. We don't need the device. All we do is you ask you to connect the actual device to your PC, and we apply the repair needed. This actual service is very, very beneficial to those that really don't want to mess with the phone and they really want to actually fix it and get it working again. So once again, this particular device was successfully repaired, and this is more of a evidence and proof that my services work. So a lot of times you don't want to mess with the devices, especially nowadays with these high dollar items out. For example, the iPhones and the Samsungs and every particular model. So if you have any questions, doubts, concerns regarding the service, send me a message on Facebook, Twitter, Google Plus throughout the day. Although there's a lot of ways you can actually repair your device online, if you're not 100% sure on how to repair it, I would recommend ordering this service because it's very, very, very easy to damage the device even further. I recommend checking out my Facebook page. I do have a 100% positive rating. We do accept various payment methods. So once again, if you have any questions, comments, you want to see if this particular service covers your particular phone, send me a message because once again, I want to help all of you. I do have a lot of requests and a lot of orders and a lot of questions regarding my services. But if you're interested in and you need any help regarding it, send me a message. Thanks for viewing. This is Tech Tato signing out.